All right, so thought I would be way past this point by now, but another rainy day and another leak. So everything obviously is slowed down because now I have to find the leak of where this water's coming from. Anyway, yeah, so fun. Yeah, we've had a lot of rain out here on the East Coast. So, but of course, after all the rain, I was able to use this big ass garage. But I'm glad the rain did happen, because if I would have continued with the insulation, the floor and all that stuff or whatever, and then found out later on down the road that it was had a big giant puddle in it, that would suck. But yeah, I don't know. I'm getting a lot of standing water right here. So I don't know if it's around one of those windows or what. I know it's probably dark as shit in here, then you guys can barely gonna be able to see. But yeah, I was really hoping that I would be a lot further along than this, and this sucks, but it is what it is. It's part of the deal. But yeah, since my last video, obviously, I put a second layer of this insulation. So there's the soundproofing, the Reflectix, 2 layers of this 1/2 inch. I'm probably going to put a third one in there as well. Soundproofing and Reflectix on the doors. Let's see if I can get in the van and see if you guys can see. Put soundproofing, you know, I was looking for shit to do, but put soundproofing along the sides, put soundproofing back in the back there, to go ahead and get that ready so I can start building that. Storage compartment back there, which is basically going to be my electronics and all that crap. Did this side as well. And it really sucks, because I was really hoping that I could start putting down the insulation on the floor, putting the plywood in, putting the plywood on the walls, all that good happy stuff. But now I gotta find another flipping leak. So yeah, it's kind of slowed things down a little bit. But other things, got a house starting battery, a new battery for the van. I went and picked up a tow bar for the van. What else? Yeah, just been doing some insulation, some other side stuff, or whatever. And yeah, like I said, this kind of sucks. I was really hoping that I would be a lot further along than this. But like I said, if I don't fix this friggin' water leak now, then it's just going to be a huge fucking problem later. But anyway, but yeah, so that's where I am. That's where I am. But the plans in my head look really good. The van is going to be awesome when it's done. But anyway, yeah, so this is where I am. Very fortunate to be out of the rain today. But for the last 4 or 5 days it's been pouring. So yeah. It's been pouring. But I am fortunate to, oops, I don't want you guys seeing my license plate. I don't know how many hackers are out there or whatever, whoever can do whatever. But yeah, so that's where I am. So I don't know, the leak before, you know, I had to reseal all this stuff, but so I don't know where this is trickling down from, man. You know, like I said, it's, you know, with water, I mean, shit, it could be leaking all the way in the front and trickling its way back to the back, or in the back trickling its way forward. Around the window, it could be around, I mean, who knows. So this is going to be fun, trying to find this water leak and get that fixed. But anyway, I'm rambling on. Obviously a little upset, you know, a little perturbed, because I really thought I was going to start, I really wanted to go ahead and start building the storage above the cab, and start on the walls and the floor and all that crap. So, but anyway, yeah, that's where I am. Dilemmas. Yeah, so anyway, until the next video, later.